What's up, guys? Trying to get my mind off the Easy Boost for now. So, made a little purchase. See, I had to open the box because obviously I'm holding it one-handed, but I haven't checked it yet. So, what do we got here? Got Supra. One of my favorite. This is one of my favorite shoe brands of all time. Supra. Nice and comfortable. And what the fuck's going on here? Like my shirt. It's in like scribble font. And we got the limited edition, a limited collaboration with Rothco. It's a premier army supply. It's made out of ballistic nylon. It's pretty cool. So I got it's pretty, like, see the sole, how it goes around like that. Classic Super Crown. Got the Rothco. It should say Super there usually, but since it's a collaboration with Rothco, it says Rothco there, and it says Super up here. And this is like a Velcro. It's kind of cool. Got the inside print. It's like a desert, or I don't know what the fuck you call it. Inside I got the Supra with Rothco. Orange inside, shit's fire. Got, I don't know what the fuck's this thing. It slides. Interesting. I don't know how many they made of these. So I mean, they're limited. So this is some sort of limited type of shoe. Usually a super type of person, but I don't know, sky top, but they didn't have us in the sky top, so I'd get Vader. It's right size. Yeah. The other. Well, I think they're both the same. I don't think they're different. Ooh. Okay, usually you get a super thing. Oh, whoa. Got dual Supra with that on it. Rothco. Pretty cool. Other than that, I think there's a... Oh, and this one's... What? Okay, so... I didn't know that. Okay, the right one has the Rothco thing on the bottom, and the right one has just Supra. And they both say Supra at the top. Did not know that. Anyway, cool sneakers, great pieces. Love Supras. Had to have them. Oh, and other news. There's officially now some remakes of the Yeezy boosts are now hitting online. So be careful, guys. You can get them as low as $80 on Chinese websites. So be careful, guys, with the Easy Boost you find elsewhere online, like on eBay. They are starting to make replicas, and they go as low. I've seen as low as $80. They have and they look identical. The pictures I've seen, of course, they're gonna picture like the best of the best remakes, but the pictures I've seen, they look spot on, 100% spot on. So it's gonna be real hard to, unless you're buying it from a do-it-yourself I wouldn't trust it anywhere else. Unless, I mean, if these boosts just become, if Adidas doesn't step their game up, I might just get remakes for now. I mean, fuck, they're made, looks like they're made the same way, but anyway, until next time, still yeezy-less. But, yeah, see ya.